Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I'm here to help you troubleshoot this issue. If you're having a trouble with Premiere Pro, CC unable to produce frame error or compiling movie accelerated error, if you're getting kind of this error when trying to render footage, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I'll be taking you through all the steps necessary for fixing this issue so you can get back to editing in no time. So anyway, let's get started. This error can be caused by a variety of factors, but in order to fix this, first step is check your GPU driver is up to date. If you have a available update, then make sure you guys update to the latest one. Lastly, if this solution didn't work so far, then follow this step. Click on the file, hover on the project setting, and click on the general. And now change the render mode into the Mercury Playback Engine software only. And after that, now this should help resolve any issue with rendering frames in your project. I hope this tutorial was helpful in getting rid of any frame production issue you're having with the Premiere Pro CC. If you enjoy it, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps us out. Until next time, goodbye everyone.